Video. I just reviewed today now we're making a bathtub, and this is the map I'm gonna make all my videos of Minecraft with. And also this you might see is my materials to do this video. It's assignment test. So we got here the materials for the bathtub. Get some white slab, water bucket, smooth quartz slab, blue cushion, some alignment with this bud, and a grass block to replace it. First, break these, add some dirt, smooth quartz slabs. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Let me pause the recording because I forgot something. We're back, guys. I changed that sign right there, and also a sign and chest and plant blocks. And we're going back to the bathtub. So grass block, grass block, grass block. Bam, bam.
Umalis kasi ako, Tim. Damit niya, pahubad ko.
Now it is everything.
Yung damit niya po.
Okay, put those on the spots. Blue cushion, break, and break.
Pagka-uwi ko kasi Tam, may sila, tsaka masakit siya. Ngayon, sumuka. Ano tayo
Be
tsura?
careful with this because you want to break these. Now, that's the problem. To break as fast, so you need to do it
Ay, baka
faster.
Sika ulo may isip ko kasi.
And
Hindi, taga dito yung tatomboy na matanda.
Hindi ko lang pupunta dito, ma'am.
Isang naisip ko eh.
oh my god.
Oh, sige.
There. Like that.
Sino ba nagpunta matanda dito kanina?
That's how you do it.
Pag-uwi ka galing school.
Now break.
Sa school pa lang daw.
Actually, don't break.
Baka sa school siya nagkapit.
Oops.
Sige, tapa ko.
Now do the other.
Hindi nga. Alam mo naman tayo. Andiyan na ba?
Kasi,
Andiyan na siya?
i-add
Bro.
yung ano ako.
Ay, naya ako. Alam mo naman tayo, nalapressure eh. Nangyari na ako, kaso wala na rin akong budget eh. Kaya ba hindi ako?
Next we break those again. Protect.
Na-stress pa ako kay Rigel.
Now break.
Isasama ko yung brief niya ta. Damit lang hindi nakasama yung short. Sige.
Put the perimeter
Na-stress
and
ako
break
na kasi pagka talaga kay
perimeter.
Rigel, naano ako, napapraning ako eh.
Go not to the sides because they are pointless. And
Sabi ko pa naman.
when you get to
Sabi ko
this,
pa naman.
just break this.
Kakaabiwan, sabi ko, Jing, ano ba yan? Kakarating ko lang ng bagumbong. Sabi ko, babalik ba tayo?
Just go to
Bawal
blocks,
yung mga prito-prito.
2 blocks.
Pinainom ko siya ng
I don't
ng
know
Yakult.
blocks
Okay lang po ba yun? Okay lang yung Yakult?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kasi nung
4
pinainom ko
blocks.
siya ng Yakult, sumuka siya eh.
Now, I have blue cushions.
Pinainom ko na siya kanina pag uwi ko. Ay ngayon, mababa na siguro kasi na Natawas mo na.
There.
Hindi na kaya tumagal sa
Now
sakit yung tiyan ka?
I placed every single block. Now,
Ano bagay, tinawas mo na eh.
I forgot we're using small, not medium.
Sige ta, aluin ko na lang muna yung damit niya, pakukulaan ko. Pag kumulo, lalagyan ko ng asin, tapos pakuluin ko ng konti.
There.
Ah, sige ta, sige. Papalamigin ko muna yung tubig. Bago yango, syempre mainit eh. Ano ta? Ah, sige. Pwede ko siya lagyan ng tubig sa gripo. Ah, hindi. Sige ta, papalamigin ko konti.
When we just pass the card. Done. Let's make it. And also, do not put if you're confused, do not put blue cushions or whatever cushion you like on these because once it's turned, it will be harder to place the middle blocks like this. Smooth quartz stairs, the middle part. Now the front part. Water bucket. Put water, put water, put water, put water, put water, 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 water. And then now your bathtub is complete. Almost. Yeah, I said almost. Let's get rid of some. Let's make some space. Now you get a fence and walls of whatever you like. I'm gonna use Prisma frame. And now you build it so you can take it away. But before it, you'll get the real smooth quartz block. Yeah. You can only use smooth quartz block because whose bathtub is not clean. This is the only block that looks clean. Or not only, some also does. And done. You're done with that. Now play here. Actually, let me just put this away. There. Now I have so much space. Actually, no, just take. So I get 9 water buckets. Actually, do that later because I only have 9 slots. Now get a button and a dispenser. Look up to the fence with a dispenser, then crouch and add a button, and then get 9 water buckets. That's 3, that's 6, and that's 9. Yeah, and there's only enough for 9, and look how small this is. And your bathtub is done. I can finally stop the video. Wait, just put one more fence here because we don't want to. Wait, can't we? No, update can't we? I heard in the new update you get
Baby, masakit pa dyan mo?
Hindi na po.
Wait lang ha, tapos ikaw
No, it doesn't work. I think they're lying. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong.
Magsulo lang. Pagod ako, umuwi na ulit. Ay, talaga.
Let me try that. Just Okay, that's just put one more friends here because I did it wrong. This is supposed to not be here. Okay. And finished. Your bathtub is already done. Already in nice. So you could sit down. Wait. This is how you sit down. You get out of the bathtub. There. And you could do that. And now we could do. I don't think we can do this.
Alam mo kasi, pagka ganyan, kung sino
Kahit imposible, no? Kung sino
kung sino yung unang papasok talaga sa isip
Pero
mo.
hindi naman ako nagsusuka.
Kahapon, di ba, yung mga nakaraan. Siya kasi
Fix that.
sa isip ko sa ulo, habang dumidescribe ngayon.
Ay, ano? Maliit?
Maliit, bilugan ng muka, padapaang muka.
And we can now sit.
Hindi, ano siya ko, no? Baka
And our bathtub is all done.
Padapa yung ano. Saka
Let's put
bilugan,
one
hindi
more
naman
friends.
bilugan ng mukha.
Actually,
Kala ko makapag
you could, or you could just extend this.
in-out lang.
How do we do that?
Saka wala, hindi naman lumabas si Arjen eh. Guys, ako ba?
There.
Oh, 30 yun eh.
You see, I put two
Ano ba
balls
yung
here.
negosyo ko?
That's good.
Ano kasi yung sulit ko mga trabaho?
Now, let's test the bathtub if it's functional and it's realistic. Realistic. Check. And now let's sit. We're gonna press the button. And press it. Actually, I know how to fix this.
Bakit wala silang tuwing?
First, get it. Get one. Get another bucket. Refill it. And there's a specific command. And I forgot what it's called. / give at s. What is it called again?
Paano niya gawin yung gusto yung
Let me pause the recording while I.
pumunta siya ng ano?
Okay, so
Pumunta siya na
type this exact command.
nag-text siya.
Then enter.
Okay lang.
Now place it around it. The structure void is you can go through the structure void and it's invisible. And it can
Ano to? Pag may damit,
it can prevent quits.
Ulam mo yun.
walang yan.
Kaya pala sabi niya nung ulam natin.
And now we're done. Now structure void.
Nagtaba ako eh. Ano namin damit?
Alam mo na, maganda na siya. Alam mo.
How?
Ganun sa akin.
Press the button again.
Sabi niya, may one stick. Kaya ano to? Damit. Tinapakulan yung damit.
I forgot.
Uwi na.
I forgot the back.
Wala ka, di bola, di sila, wala ko tubig.
Hindi ako.
Now
Sabi niya pala.
let's just use the water.
Ay, paklang. Ikaw ang
Ay, meron dyan, pag yung tinapay na ito, ayaw ni Angel mo. Kinain ko isip para sa isa na, kasi kumain ka kanin?
This is the best. Now click the button again to turn the shower off.
Pero Nino,
Ano kuya? Bibigyan
Ah.
kuya? Pera? Ano yun?
Loko.
Bibigyan ka ng pera?
ulit naman, ilan yung lahat proper dyan sa'yo, kabilang nga. Ni,
Kuya, bibigyan ka na ng pera.
Ako? Saan?
Ah, kay Ashley yan.
Saan? Okay na.
May ano pangalan mo si Windy?
Uy!
Do not press the button again. It will waste your water.
Bayad.
Well, now the shower is done. Goodbye, guys.